Good morning, friends. Welcome to another edition of Let's Talk Nifty. And yesterday was the expiry. It was a pretty easy session, and I hope all of us made money. So now let's understand where Nifty is. So the selling has been incessant, and it's been gap down and sell, gap down and sell. So today it could actually be one more day of sell, and then we might see a pullback, or we might open gap down and maybe we should say pullback. Let's understand the key levels. We have to be open to both sides. So the most critical level is going to be 19,620 to 19,600. So this is going to be critical level. Market must hold this level. Otherwise the uptrend will be in danger. Yeah. So if it doesn't hold 19,600, then we are looking at the previous swing low of 19,223, and then below that 18,986. Right? So if you remember, I had talked about how 19,266 is going to be a superb resistance. You can check where Nifty turned from. Similarly, I talked about now 19,200 being a superb support. You saw how the market changed from that. So this is the power of candlesticks and Fibonacci. So based on that, I can tell you that 19,615 is the most critical level now, and I'm positive that we might see a turnaround from there. So I'll be looking to go along around those levels, provided I get a beautiful candle signal intraday. So let's go to 15-minute chart and further understand where it is. So you can see the support has exactly come in at 19,728, which is 19,700 levels, which is what is expected. So actually the market did close a bit positive, if you see, and if it gaps up, then 19,840 is the resistance. So we can look at how it behaves there, and if it forms a negative candlestick there, then we can go short for again 19,700. On the other hand, if it gaps down open, then it would be quite interesting to watch where it opens. So I would wait for it to take support around 19,620, 615 levels, and I would look for targets of 19,720 and 19,840. So let's see. It will also change with how the global markets are, and let's do our best. So this is Banknifty 15-minute chart, and let's see where market might reverse from. So there are good supports which exercise 44,212 and 43,672. So we see the support and resistance are far away apart. This is the market to be traded, right? So when I told in the beginning of the week that these resistances are quite close together, or supports are quite close together, this is the exact opposite of that. So this is when traders like us can make a real good fortune. So it's important to understand the key levels. So Banknifty's selling has been brutal, to speak the race, and this happens when the PSU banks are having a dream rally, and mainly because of the HDFC Bank, which is crashing like there is no tomorrow. So if it bottom out, now when HDFC Bank recovers, will others still be in uptrend? That's what we need to keep an eye on. So if we look at Banknifty, so today's resistance is going to be at around 45,055 levels, and support might come in at 44,212. So this is corresponding to our Nifty's level of 19,600 as well. So this is an area to watch for me for a potential reversal, because Banknifty has done too much damage in just 3 days, and so it might do a little bit of correction already, or if bears are too strong, it might just get. So if bears have their way, what is the level that we're looking at? Not in an intraday perspective, but in a positional perspective. And so the key level is going to be 42,400, right? So if market doesn't hold these supports of 44,212 and 43,672, which are the previous swing lows, then the next significant support is at 42,400. So that's the extent of damage where we can expect if that is like a 3,000 points already from here, right? So it doesn't look good for Bank Nifty because it's gapping down and it's being sold into like anything, and mainly because of HDFC Bank. Let's wait for market to get to a support, make a positive candlestick, and then trade for the next upward target. I hope you noted down all these levels, and I wish you all a superb Friday and a wonderful weekend ahead. Learning videos are on their way, so don't miss them. And if you, as always, if you do like and are deriving value from this podcast, please do like and subscribe, and so that the algorithm gets to much more people. And thank you very much. And if you are too busy or reluctant to hit a like or subscribe, that's okay. Thank you. So have a great